everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add the Add to Cart button on Shopify collection pages. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard and click Online Store on the left. On the Themes page, find your theme and click Customize. In the Customization page, click the Home button at the top to open a new menu. Now, let's click on the Collections option. Under Collections, click on Default Collection. To add the Add to Cart button, simply look at the left sidebar menu. In the Product Grid option, click on the right to open Product Cart settings. Scroll down to the Quick Add option labeled Add Fast. By default, it's empty. Paste the option, center it, click Standard to add the cart button. Out of stock items show sold out, while available products have an Add to Cart button. After configuring, go to the top right and click the Save button. Click it and the changes will be saved successfully. Now, on any collection page in your store, you'll see the Add to Cart button on your product. Customers can click and the item will be automatically added to their cart. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.